Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2008 Honda Pilot VP. So, you know what? Everybody sits there, and when I drive a Ferrari, drive this, drive that, people are like, well, driving normal cars must be boring. No, it really isn't, because this is really kind of cool. This is an absolute mint example. Obviously, it's a 2008. It's going to have little nicks here and there. But it's only a 111,000 mile example. We put about $5,000 worth of work to make this thing as perfect as possible. Brand new tires, brand new brakes. I mean, just look at this thing. When I talk about cream puff example, something I didn't think I'd ever see again, this is one of them. You know, when I appraised this car, I said, this thing's kind of freakishly clean. You know, yeah, it had little damage here and there, but I drove it, I was like, guys, this car's clean. I've seen these in junkyards now, but this one's clean. 111,000 miles, one of the lowest mileage ones available for sale. Has Sirius XM radio. I mean, come on. We also have a 2014 Pilot with only 60,000 miles. That one also is freakishly clean. Plenty of torque from that V6. I will say this drives very well. For an 08, I've driven a lot newer cars that drive a lot worse than this example does. When I asked to take this car home to do a video on it, my manager was like, really? And I explained to her, I was like, this thing's just freaky clean. I mean, freakishly clean. And it seems like you guys, with the 2011 Ranger video, you guys love older cars. So you know what? I'm gonna film whatever you guys watch. So and look at this. For an 08, tracking dead straight. Like, now, keeping in mind this car is like almost 15 years old. still decent to drive. Obviously, technology within 15 years, drastically different. And this was one of the last years for this body style as well. But I don't know. Still nice. Still fun. Still has power. No, it doesn't have navigation. I think this is, again, the base model. VP, I believe, was the base model for this year Pilot. Again, I was 8 years old when this car was new. So, pardon me for not knowing everything about this car. Quadrifoglio. Obviously no blind spot, but with the lack of technology means it's simple, it's simplistic. There's a lot less to go wrong. And yeah, we had to put $5,000 into this car to make it perfect. It was all just normal things for a 100,000 mile car. Suspension components, tires, brakes. There was nothing mechanically wrong with this car. Well, no, I shouldn't say that, because suspension is mechanical. But engine, transmission, they were both fine. No issues at all. No oil leaks. Nothing. And that just proves how these older cars, yes, they don't have the technology of newer cars. You just do your basic maintenance and keep up with them, they will run forever. I will say that one thing that really dates this is column shifter. That dates it just a little bit. But traffic's a bit heavy today. This is my commute to work, so obviously I'm used to this, but this is a little bit heavier traffic than I expected to see this morning. What's rattling? Alright, at this point, I'm going to say goodbye. Oh, there's that Gaptism BMW I always see. I'm going to say goodbye to you guys. I'm going to drive to work in this thing. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next one.